Alrighty then. I'm preparing to help my wife restore this beautiful antique table. What I'm going to do first is cut off these pins here and here, drill them out, and then pull the frame off of the top of the table, glue all new pins in where they need to go, get access to this screw here so that I can take this hole, fill it up with some toothpicks and wood glue, and re-drill it slightly to make a firm connection with that screw bit. So as soon as I get all that done, I'll show what it looks like. Easy peasy. Alright, now as you see there, I've drilled out the old dowel pins and place the new ones in with some wood glue. I'm going to let them set up before I do anything else. I want to make sure they're good and dry and tight. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and drill these out the same way. I've filled this with some wood glue. I'm going to push it back in there and let that dry so that when I screw the screw into the top. Okay, so I've reattached the fourth leg. I've broken off a toothpick in the top up here. I'm going to add some wood glue and then screw the screw into place and let the whole thing cure overnight. And there you go. Now my wife is going to finish the top, clean it all up, oil it up and restain it, and we'll see this another day.